How to use All Reservations List. This is the screen where all the reservations we made in our hotel property are listed. The list automatically opens under All tab, but we can get different overview by clicking on the Other Reservation Statuses tabs. With a double click on the desired record, we will open the reservation card. By entering more detailed information in the upper filter segment, we can list reservations according to the desired parameters. We may filter the below reservations based on the accommodation period, arrival and departure dates, sales period, agency, nationality, board type, market, repeat or VIP status, reservation statuses, and others. Some of the actions found under the reservation list can also be performed in the All Reservations list. Again, as with the reservation list, we may select the desired reservation record and choose some of the operations under Action menu. We may print this list with the related button, or we can also export it in Excel.